At the end of this video, you will learn how to check if your Google account has been hacked and how to secure your accounts to ensure you don't get hacked in the future. We'll be illustrating this with a PC. I've already made a video about how you can do this with a mobile phone. The link will be in the description box below. If you cannot log into your Google account, maybe as a result of password change, please contact a Google Help section. They will guide you on what to do. If you can log into your Google account, let's proceed. If you're a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. Log into your favorite browser, just about any browser of your choice. Log into www.google.com. On your favorite browser, log into google.com. Head to the profile picture or just the icon at the top right hand corner. Select your profile picture or just your icon there. Scroll to manage your Google account. We are heading to the security section now. This is the home page. At the left hand side, you can see the security. Select that. You want to check the recent security activities on this account. If there is any security activity or alerts on your account, the list will be shown here. If there is anything you don't recognize, select more information about the activity. If you still don't recognize any of them, select No Secure Account. With this, it means that your account has been accessed. You go ahead to change your password and take the steps to secure your account. So let's secure the account right away. The first step to securing your Google account is to activate your two-step verification. You can see mine is on, meaning that it has been activated. You will simply select it and follow the process. It is self-explanatory. Just follow the prompt. Activate the two-step verification for your account. The next security measure is to look at the devices that have access to your Google account. These are devices that your Google account has been signed in the last 28 days. These are the devices, their location, and time. If there's any device here that is signed into your Google account that you're not familiar with, simply select it and sign out. If you can sign out, if you don't recognize this device with its location and time, you can select Don't Recognize Something. That means this device had access to your Google account without your permission. Select Don't Recognize Something. The next are third-party apps that have access to your Google account. These are third-party apps that have access to your Google account. So make sure these apps are well known to you. You give the access. If there is any app here that has access to your Google account that you didn't give, you are now aware of this access, you didn't give this permission, select the app and remove the access. Simply select the app or the website and remove access. With this app won't have access to your Google account except you give it access in the future. If you need this app to have access to your Google account in the future, you can give the access. This is how you can check if your Google account has been hacked and, of course, secure your account to ensure that your account don't get hacked in the future. If for any reason you cannot log into your Google account as a result of maybe password change, contact the Google Help section to guide you on what to do. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.